Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to create a MySpace account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. MySpace is an American social networking service which is used as an online data storage and sharing site. It was originally a file storage service but has been transitioned to a social networking site. If you'd like to create a new account on MySpace, then here's how to do it. Start by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official website of MySpace, which looks like this. At the left-hand side menu, you'll be able to see a sign up button. Click it on in order to create a new account. You can use one of the social networking sites that is displayed on the screen over here. You can either join MySpace with your Facebook account, Twitter account, or an existing email account. Choose any one option. In my case, I'm going to choose the email option. Now, type in your full name on the next field. Next, select your gender from the drop-down. Enter your username that you'd like to use and set a password for your account on the next field. While creating a password, make sure it is strong. After you're done, type in an email address that you'd like to use right where it says email. Head over to the date of birth section, type in your month, day, and year. Click on I'm not a robot after you're done and click on this box over here that says I acknowledge that I have read and accept the terms of use agreement and consent to the privacy policy. Click on create account in order to move forward. Right after you do that, go ahead and select any topics that you would like to promote and click on take me to my profile. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've created a profile for yourself. You'll need to go ahead and verify your email first. Open up your email and you'll receive an inbox from MySpace. Click it open and verify your email address by clicking on the button that appears. And soon after you do that, you are ready to use your MySpace account. You can discover music, videos, and people by clicking on the option right under Discover on the left-hand side panel. That is how you'll be able to create an account for yourself on MySpace. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.